I am Mandeep from England. I'm staying in Somatheeram Ayurvedic Hospital for 14 days for Ayurvedic program, and I enjoyed every single moment here. I love being on the beach and having the treatments here, and the meditation and yoga is brilliant here. The teachers are excellent. I would say definitely the doctors here are so good. They listen to you very carefully from the beginning till the day you leave, and they do according to you the treatments and everything. I mean, you can find the resorts on the beach, but not with the treatments they provide here. I think this is the best resort I have seen with the treatments, and going to the beach is the best part. I walk every evening. I don't have to go anywhere. It's just literally there. So perfect place to come here. Thank you.